Here I am, alone and I don't understand exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. I'm holding on when all but the passion's gone. And from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. And heroes die when they ignore the cause inside. But they learn from what's left behind and fight for something